Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple snack. It's good for after you run, it's good for just when you're playing hungry. I just got back from being able to run after not being able to run for a long time because I have a stress fracture. That's a story, and I'll share a video about that at some point. So, I'm going to show you how to make popcorn in the microwave. No silly popcorn bags, just popcorn kernels, a bowl, and a plate. And then you top it with whatever you want to top it with, and I'm going to top mine with nutritional yeast because nutritional yeast is very nutritional. It has 5 grams of protein for a tablespoon. It also has all your B vitamins and some fiber and lots of things to make you healthy in a really small pack. Okay, literally this is all you need. You need some popcorn kernels, a measuring device to get a 1/4 cup of kernels out. I'm making just kind of a snack size. You need a bowl and a plate that will fit on top of the bowl. And then you need a microwave. Okay, so I'm going to measure out a 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels. I'm back. So I measured out a 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels, or corn kernels. These are organic and all that lovely stuff. Then you take the popcorn kernels, you stick them in a bowl. You put a plate on top. You need to kind of make sure that the plate fits on snugly because the whole objective is to make it snug so the steam gets hot enough in there to pop the popcorn kernels. Okay. So next, you come over to your microwave, pop it open, and pop the bowl in there, close it, time it to 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Beep. Okay, start, and then we get to watch it, and it will start popping in a minute. I'm not going to make you watch the full 2 minutes, but I will let you know when it starts starting to pop. It started about 2 minutes or 45 seconds in, but it's really starting to go now. So you just kind of wait until all the popcorn kernels are popped. So as we're getting closer to the end, we've got 10 seconds left, you'll see that the popcorn kernels aren't popping as much. And with this method, there's always going to be some extra popcorn kernels. Oh, it's done. So be careful. Let it sit for a second because see, it's really hot in there with the steam. But so I'm waiting for the bowl to not be so hot. So let's give it a try. See if I can get it out without burning. Okay, so I was very careful. This plate is going to be very hot. The bowl is going to be very hot. But as you can see, there's some gorgeous popcorn. Okay, really hot. So I'm just kind of fluffing it up a little bit. I'll let it now. I've let the popcorn cool down, and I'm going to put the Bragg Nutritional yeast on. So just pop it open. See, open. I recommend putting about a tablespoon on, but I'm just gonna dash it. If you've never had Bragg Nutritional yeast on popcorn before, it makes it sort of a cheesy flavor. It's really good. And my cat loves it too. There's what it looks like. It's a little cheesy. Put that on.